Welcome to the Admera Health at-home DNA test review, usage experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Admera Health offers a comprehensive at-home DNA test kit that focuses on providing personalized insights into your health, wellness, and even genetic predispositions. This kit is designed for individuals looking to understand how their genes affect everything from fitness and nutrition to potential health risks. It's particularly useful for anyone interested in taking a proactive approach to their well-being, as it offers actionable insights that can help guide decisions about diet, exercise, and healthcare. Using the Admera Health Kit is straightforward. After receiving the kit, you'll follow the easy-to-understand instructions to collect a saliva sample. The process is quick, hygienic, and non-invasive. Once your sample is ready, you send it back to the lab in the provided prepaid envelope. Results typically arrive in a few weeks, offering detailed genetic reports on various aspects of your health. What makes Admera Health unique is the depth of the analysis it provides. The results cover a wide range of categories, including pharmacogenomics, which tells you how your body might react to different medications, as well as nutrigenomics, offering insight into how your body processes nutrients. The test also delves into your predisposition for certain health conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer, giving you a personalized view of your genetic health risks. For those interested in fitness and wellness, the kit provides insights into how your genetics may influence your physical performance, endurance, and recovery. The results are user-friendly and actionable, with personalized recommendations to improve your health, whether it's adjusting your diet, changing your workout routine, or consulting a healthcare professional for more specific guidance.